I don't know how lucky you'll feel after this forecast, but let's just see what's in the weather cards. Good afternoon, I'm weather forecaster Natasha Leland. Some things we're going to be tracking over the next day. We're going to see some possible thunderstorms, very breezy conditions, as well as a little bit of a cool down that's going to be coming. But first, I really do want to touch on these thunderstorms. We're actually seeing some clouds move into our area. That is ahead of this system that's off in Illinois, stretching down into Kentucky right now. That's going to be impacting us later tonight, and it's actually timed out here on Precision Cast. You see those sprinkles beginning to enter into our area around 7. Then it's going to become a little bit more organized by the time we get to around midnight, and by 2 a.m. very widespread. That's also when we're going to see our best chance at some thunderstorms. And you can see that here tonight, temperatures cooling down to about the low 50s, especially by the time we get to about 1. That's when those thunderstorms start popping up. The biggest threats with this weather system are going to be the heavy rains that come, and that could lead to localized flooding. Storms are not looking to be too strong or severe, just your normal everyday thunderstorm. But by the time we get into Thursday, that's really going to become more widespread, more organized. The heaviest of that rain coming in the afternoon. That's also our best chance of seeing some of those thunderstorms. And we're going to really cool down once this rain comes through. You can actually see the snow forming on the backside of the system. That's just going to be due to the cool nature of the temperatures, not really going to be anything of a travel hazard at this time. But you can see those temperatures, how they're cooling down throughout the day. Actually, the highest temperature is going to be at 8 a.m. You're going to see 52 degrees for that high, cooling down into the 40s by 5. You're going to see those winds from the northeast 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. So it's going to be very windy out there. And rain totals are going to see around 1 inch, maybe 1.25 inches for most places. So you do need to be aware that there could be some flooding, especially on those rural roads. We could see that standing water by tomorrow afternoon. But all this rain does make you reminiscent of spring, which is only 3 days away, which will be really exciting to see, but we're not going to be seeing those 60-degree temperatures like we have been seeing on that first day of spring. Temperatures right now, we're seeing 52 here in Muncie. It's also in the 50s in Shelbyville and Terre Haute. The high for today going to be 64 degrees with those mostly cloudy skies. Those winds pretty light at 5 to 10 miles per hour. But again, as I said, those temperatures not going to be staying like this for the next couple of days, and you can see that here on the mid-7-day forecast. If you take a look, you can see those temperatures, they'll cool down all day on Thursday. 44 is going to be the high on Friday. First day of spring, not too cold, but 54 degrees. We'll finally get back up into the 60s though by the time we get into next week. This has been your NewsLink Indiana weather update. For more updates, follow us at NLI Weather on Twitter.